seconds it's approved. The next step is to go to Karatpay and register the Karatpay. You're going to have one drop down that says register. You're going to get your wallet. Then you're going to go down to the fourth link, right? After you do that first registration, and you're going to go around the login bar, the blue login bar, right? Go all the way to the bottom of that and click on don't have an account, register. They got to register it. They got to put in some passwords, keep the password the same for right now as their site. So everything's simple for them. Get it started right like that and get that thing set up. Once it's set up and you can verify you can get into it, okay, then we go to the next step. The whole Karatpay set up. Next thing we're doing is we're going to go to switch to Karat Gold site. And when we go over to the Karat Gold site, we're going to go and say, look, we got to look at a profit package. What are you comfortable with? What can you afford? What are you thinking? And we help them get started on whatever package. And the way we do it, let's say this person wants a $1,250 profit package. They can't afford $1,700 bucks, but they want to get 1,250 euros worth of KCB coins and get the stuff out of that package. That's the one they want. They select that. We just click checkout. And we're going to go through this checkout process to figure out how much this is going to cost at the end of the deal. So it's $1,250. The discount coupons don't apply. And we're going to go over here to the Karatpay. Now look at this. It automatically defaults to this. But with the profit packages, we're supposed to use cash gold to pay for it. We're not supposed to be buying cryptocurrency with US dollars or with our US dollar credit cards. So what we do is we go up here and we switch it to Karatpay. This little button, I just push it. And notice it changes the green button to Karatpay, and it changes the way this looks to univols. UNV stands for univols. 1/10 of a gram is 1 univol. So a full gram is 10 univols, okay? So when you're looking at a univol that costs $281.84, what you do is you take the 281.84 and divide it by 10. And that leaves you with 28.1 univols that we need. So we have to round up to 29 univols is what we need. We know we need 25 grams of gold. I'm sorry, I've been saying it wrong. 281 univols divided by 10 is 28.1 grams. So we have to round up to 29 grams, okay? I just said it correctly. So my brain works faster than I can actually process sometimes. So I go over here, and I'm going to go back to Karatbars. And the question is do I want to buy classic cards? No. I want to buy grams of gold, but I need to buy it in cash gold and Karatpay cash gold. So if I need to have 29 grams, it doesn't matter if I buy 29 1-gram cards or a whole bunch of 3-gram cards and some 1-gram cards or 6-gram cards. So what I do is 29 divided by 6 would be 4, right? So I'm going to go 4 here. That gives me 24 of those. I'd add that to my cart. 6 times 4 is 24. But I need 9. I need 29, right? So if I got 24, I need 5 more. So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to order 1 of the 3-gram cards. And I'm going to order 2 of the 1-gram cards. Add that 2 and add that. So if I look at my total order here, I've got 2, I got 6, and I've got 24. I got 30. I actually didn't need to get, I only needed 1 of the 1-gram cards, okay? So I can just delete that. I'm not real good at math, apparently. Change this to 1. Gotta have fun with this, guys, you know? But this should do it. So now I've got 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Oh, I need another one. I was right the first time. So I'm going to close that out. I'm going to make back here. Do that. See how many you can make mistakes and you can adjust it. So 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I was right the first time. And now I go and I click View Cart. And I'm going to go check out through this process. So again, I'm verifying this again. Yep, that's right. That looks good. Notice that it's going to cost me a little bit more buying the cash gold because I got a little bit extra gold than I actually needed for the card or for the package. So I'm going here, checking the boxes, going over here. There's no discount coupons for it. Go next. It's automatically going to storage. Next. And then I can choose to pay with a bank wire, I use a credit card, or if I have a Karatbars MasterCard that has a balance on it, which I won't because I'm a brand new affiliate. I haven't even ordered my MasterCard yet. It would, down the road, if you wanted to buy more profit packages, that would be another option you have here. So in this particular case, we're going to select the credit card. I'm going to go do this process. This is my total, 1346.32, and that's euros. Processing fee of about 3.5% off of your stuff. So this is the total. We're going to click Pay Now. When we go to Pay Now, we're going to put on our credit card, and we're going to process the credit card. Visa, you can pay with Bitcoin. You put your information in here and process it. When it's done, all right, and it processes, you'll get an order confirmation. You'll go up to My Gold, go down to My Gold, and you will see 29 grams that we just purchased effectively and efficiently through our site. And we purchased 29 grams of cash gold, and it will show right here. I got to cancel this thing first because it won't let me do it. There. At the top. Now, I'm going to go over here to My Gold. Yes, we know. Okay, so it will show 29 grams of gold in your cash gold. From there, I would go up to Karat Pay. I would go into Load e-wallet. Now I'd pull this up, and it would show 29 grams available, and I would load all 29 grams into my e-wallet. The second it's in the e-wallet, it would have another box to say 29 grams available. I would load it right into my e-wallet. When it does that, then I can go back up to Karat Gold, go back to that 1,250 euro package, I think is what we were choosing. Go down here to the 1250 package, yep, and go check out. And when I get to the Karat Pay, I'm going to pay now because I have that gold, those grams of gold in my wallet. And I'm going to go through and finish it up, okay? You get an order confirmation. The coins will load up immediately in your system, in your dashboard that is right here on this Karat Gold site, okay? So I just wanted you to make sure you understood. It's going to load up right here where it says KCB coins. It's going to lower this total down for a master node. And again, we're not going into the master node stuff tonight, but basically that gives you the ability to get a residual income stream if you can acquire a master node or a full node with KCB coins. You want to get as many KCB coins as you can get, okay? And you don't have to pay for them all. You can go out there and earn them by developing your business. That's the important part, okay? So that is how that part works. Once they have their package on their account, they now will have a status for KYC approved. They'll be an affiliate. They'll have some unilevel status, probably a distributor is what it'll say, because that's where everybody starts. And then she would have a silver package here, okay?